Now we have applications involving simple interest. Principal is the original amount of money invested or borrowed. Simple interest is interest that is earned on principal. So the simple interest equation is simple interest equals the principal times the annual interest rate times time in years. Written symbolically as I equals PRT. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Principal is still a pretty, jargony word. So don't forget that principal is just the original amount of money. All right, simple interest is interest. The annual interest rate, this needs to be in decimal form. So don't forget if you're given a percent, like in number 5, you have to translate it to its decimal version of the percentage. So 6% becomes 0.06. How much interest will Gore, I think that's Gore, have to pay if she borrows $4,000 for 5 years at simple interest of 6%? We're just going to follow the equation. So if I equals PRT, I like to get all my information out in a row. So P is equal to 4,000. That's the original amount. R is equal to 0.06, right? Because you're going from the percent to the decimal version. And then T, what do you think T is? 5 years. Again, make sure T is time in years. So if you're told, say, 18 months, what is that in years? Well, 18 months would be 1.5 because that is a year and a half, right? 12 plus 6 is 18. All right, now we're just going to slap this sucker into the equation. 4,000 times 0.06 times 5. 4,000 times 0.06 times 5 equals 1,200 or 1,200. So that's how much interest earns. I'm going to tack on like another part to this. Let's say that's A. What if B is how much will Gohar pay back? Remember, that's the 4,000 plus the interest from borrowing the money. So she will pay back $1,200, right? That's why whenever you borrow money, you want your interest rate to be really, really low. Simple interest is awesome, but 6% is pretty high.